One of the things that Dr. Higa and others have observed and seen through their research is that the microorganisms in EM, which we'll go into detail about what those microorganisms are, but those microorganisms are commonly found in very high populations in environments that are not damaged or affected by human activity. So, for example, into an old-growth forest, or you go into a pristine aquatic environment, could be the ocean, could be fresh water, and you sample what kinds of microbes are there. There's incredible diversity, of course, of microbiology, but there are some groups of microorganisms that are in very high populations, and those are the same groups of microorganisms that are in EM. On the other hand, if you go and you test a soil that has been conventionally farmed for a number of years, or a city environment where there's a lot of pollution in the air and in the water, or an aquatic environment that has been polluted or has been receiving excess nutrients from some sort of human activity, and you test what kinds of microbes are dominating there. Again, there's incredible diversity, and there's still a lot we don't know about microbiology, but one thing is for sure, in those environments, you have a much higher concentration or population and activity of microorganisms that are pathogens, that cause disease in plants and animals. These microorganisms are pathogens and cause disease or toxicity because the byproducts of their metabolism, what they produce, what they excrete, are typically very oxidative substances that will irritate the cells of plants and animals, as well as actually start to degrade or mutate the DNA of those plants and animals. So there's a very interesting phenomenon when you put all this together, which kind of leads to the conclusion that we have significantly shifted the microbial ecology of a large part of our planet, and that can have some very, very important impact and effect on our society.